Morning everyone, Mars here, and today I have a goodie box, and it was sent to me by Belinda Coombs, and we at Christmas time decided to send each other our favorite candy, and I sent her some turtles, and she requested some Cracker Jacks, so I sent her some Cracker Jacks. So she, I got her box today. It takes a real long time to get something from Australia. So I'll show you what she sent me. And this is one of her favorite candies. It's mint slice. These are good. And Belinda, you know, if there's candy in the house, hubby has to have some right away. He couldn't wait for me to make the video. So he tried everything, and I have to admit I did too. And this is what this one looks like. Very, very good. And there's quite a bit left in here. And this one's the other one. So I got that. And very good candy. Loved it. 3 different kinds in there. And then she sent this one. Look at the little koala. Carmelo, and this one is by Cadbury. We get Cadbury here, but of course we don't get the little koala. And this one, I think this one was my favorite. And it looks like this. Isn't that cute? Now I'm going to save some of these and put these in my junk journals. So we got that back. And then she sent another Cadbury. And it's got Santa on there. And the little monkey. I know that's a koala, I bet, huh? Uh-oh, hubby didn't get into this one. I wonder how he missed it. He must have got full on the other ones. See how you get into this. It's from back here. So I'm going to save all these. Oh, hold on here. I lost my rubber band. There we go. My rubber band slipped down. Sorry about that. This is what this looks like. Now, I'll tell you what happened. Belinda's in Australia, and she sent candy to Michigan. And there's nothing wrong with this. It doesn't affect the flavor or anything. It just turns the chocolate white. And it's just as good. So when we opened this box up last night, hubby could barely bite into it because it was frozen, but it doesn't hurt it a bit, so don't worry about that. And that's that one, Cadbury. I love Cadbury. They got the best chocolate. And then she sent this one, Cherry Ripe, and I think this was my hubby's favorite. It's also Cadbury. And this one is half gone. See, some of the chocolate turned white and some of it didn't. But the white chocolate, it doesn't hurt it at all. And I love the Cadbury packaging. So pretty. So that's that. And then she sent a whole bunch of these. These are like taffy, I think. I haven't tried one yet because they were frozen and I wasn't able to bite into them. But this morning they look fine. Just a whole bunch of those. then she sent a whole package of spools that her husband makes. And I'm going to put these together. Sorry about the rustling. And I was so happy to get these. All I have is the big ones and a few of her first ones she sent me. She's put a little pretty bow on here. Organza bow with a little applique, another tiny little applique, and a rhinestone. So that's real pretty. Get this bag open. And her husband makes these, and I really love them. And it's this size. So I'll be gluing these together today and painting them and getting some of my smaller laces on here. And she sent a couple different sizes, which makes it really nice. So thank you so much. Tell hubby thank you, thank you, thank you. And then she sent me a dress form like this. See if I can get it down. I don't have any chipboard dress forms, so this is going to be fun to decorate. Nice tall one. And I think this is a door thingy, you know, where you hang on your door, do not disturb. I think that's what that is. If not, let me know, and I'll correct myself, but this is going to be fun to do also. Did your hubby make these? I think he did. Very nice. And then she sent me a bird to decorate. And isn't that cute? I love that. Thank you so much, Belinda. And I'm going to have to spank you a little bit for what you spent to send this. This was a very heavy box. And my husband was flabbergasted when I showed him. Let me see if I can cover up your name and address here with something. Can you see that? 5763. I think this is a shame that what the post office is charging us to send packages. That's just outrageous, and it kind of makes me mad. I would like to send more to my wonderful friends, international, but they've made it so bad and so costly and expensive that I have to keep it under 2 pounds to be able to afford to send anything. So Belinda, you've touched my heart. I thank you for everything that you sent. And yeah, I'll share my candy with hubby. I don't want to, but I will. So thank you, Belinda. Love you, girl. Thank you all for coming in and seeing Belinda's Aussie candy. And remember, turn off the news, turn on the music, and dance a little. And it'll be all right. Thank you all for coming. Bye-bye.